This is Stella Joan, and this is explanation video number 9 for the class MGT 183 taught by Professor Harold Buchanan, and the class meets every Monday and Wednesday from 9:30 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. This week's explanation video is on the prompt that what is my company's option tree for 1 month and 1 year with strikes at the money at the 5% and 10% above and below. What is the implied volatility for each option, and how tight are the bid offer spreads, and what does that tell us? So let me start off with the current price of my company BBWI, Bath and Body Works. The current price is at 75.53, so 5% above is about 77.80, 5% below is 73.26, and 10% above is 83.08, and 10% below is around 67.98. And at the money with cost, there's a strike price of $75, and the implied volatility is 0%. And also the bid offer spread is 0, and the bid offer spread represents the difference between the highest price the seller will offer and the lowest price the buyer will pay. And since there is no trading volume right now, there's no quote, and which means the bid offer spread is 0 because there's no ask and there's no offer. There is no bid. And on the put side, at the money, there's a strike price being $75, and the implied volatility is also 0. For 1 month, the options are expiring in 1 month for 5% above the money. Above the price, on the call side, there's a strike price being $77, and the implied volatility being 1.56%, and bid offer spread is 0 because both bid and ask are at 0 right now. And put, the strike price is $77, implied volatility is 0, and bid offer spread is 0. And then for 1 month, 5% below, there's a strike price of $74, implied volatility is 0, and on the put side, the strike price is 73, the implied volatility is 3.13%. For 1 month and 10% below the price, there's a strike price of $69, implied volatility of 0, and on the put side, there's a strike price of $68, implied volatility of 6.25%. On the 1 month, 10% above money, on the call side, there's a strike price of $85, implied volatility of 12.50%. On the put side, it doesn't have an option with that, with 10% above money right now, that expires in 1 month. So let's talk about the 1 year options. The options expire in 1 year. So 1 year at the money, on the call side, there is a strike price of $75, implied volatility is 0, and the put, on the put side, the strike price is also $75 with implied volatility of 0.21%. On the 1 year, 5% above, the strike price is 80, implied volatility 1.56. Put side, strike price is 80, implied volatility is 0. For 1 year, 5% below, the strike price is 0, implied volatility is also 0. On the put side, the strike price is 70, implied volatility is 0.20. On 1 year, 10% above, the strike price is 85, implied volatility is 45.85%. The bid offer spread at equals to the spread is ask price minus bid price, and it's 11.35 minus 10.05, with the bid offer spread of 1.2 in this case. The bid offer spread is the result of big bid offer spread is the result of high trading volume and high demand, and since the bid offer spread here is relatively small, that means there's no high trading volume and the asset is kind of illiquid. And that's it for this week's explanation video. I talked about the different bid offers and the different options, and yeah.